Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are studying. आजको यो भिडियोमा मैले डेभलपमेन्ट अफ ब्याङ्किङ इन नेपाल जुन चाहिँ प्रिभियस इयरहरुमा चाहिँ धेरै पटक सोधिएको क्वेशन हो। सो यो बारेमा चाहिँ मैले आफूले बनाएको नोट्स हजुरहरु सामु चाहिँ शेयर गर्न आएको छु। सो मन पर्यो भनेपछि चाहिँ लाइक एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला र मैले अब स्टार्ट गरे है त। The bank is an financial institution which deals with money and credit. It accepts deposit from the public and mobilize the fund to productive sectors. In present context, banking is going to electronic banking systems in Nepal. They offer internet banking, mobile banking systems in Nepal. The story of banking in Nepal may be described as a component of gradual and ordinary evaluations in the financial and economic sphere in the Nepalese life. Even now, the financial systems is still in the evolutionary phase. In context of Nepal, the stepwise periodical story of development of banking in Nepal is as follows. First phase, before establishment of Nepal Bank Limited. The establishment of Tej Rath Adda during the tenure of Prime Minister Ranodip Singh in 1993 BS was the first step towards the institutional development of banking in Nepal. It was fully subscribed by the government of Kathmandu. It provides credit to the general public at 5% interest rate. In this phase, there was lack of modern banking system because Tej Rath Adda act like a bank but did only government transactions. Second phase, establishment of Nepal Bank Limited. In 1994 Kartik 30, Tej Rath Adda was replaced by the establishment of first commercial bank Nepal Bank Limited with authorized capital of Rs 10 million. It seems as the pillar for the modern banking systems in Nepal, whose primary functions was to manage government transactions. There was a monopoly of Nepal Bank Limited. Third phase, establishment of NRB. In this phase, Nepal Rashtra Bank was established on 2013 Baisakh 14 BS as the central bank. Its main function was to supervise the commercial banks and guide the basic monetary policy of Nepal nations. At the same time, that is in 2013 BS, Industrial Development Center was established and later on it was converted into NIDC in 2016 BS. NIDC भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो नेशनल इन्डस्ट्रियल डेभलपमेन्ट कर्पोरेसन, नेपाल इन्डस्ट्रियल डेभलपमेन्ट कर्पोरेसन। अनि त्यसै गरेर एज अ मोनिटरी ट्रान्जेक्सन्स गट मोर एन्ड मोर कम्प्लिकेटेड अन 2022 10 BS, Rashtra Banijya Bank was established as a fully government-owned commercial bank. On 2024 10-7, establishment of Agriculture Development Bank. In 2031 BS, Commercial Bank Act 2031 was enacted to operate all the commercial banks uniformly under single act. Later on, in 2041 BS, Nepal government established 5 rural development bank under the control and supervision on NRB. Fourth phase, after liberalizations and before merger. After the restoration of democracy, the government of Nepal has taken liberal policy in banking sectors, so different private banks got permissions to establish with joint venture of other countries. Consequently, two foreign commercial banks, Indo-Swiss Bank Limited and Nepal Greenlay Bank Limited, entered in Nepal in the form of joint venture. Liberalizations in banking was started after 2014 BS. In 2041 BS, Nepal Arab Bank was established, which is now known as a Nepal Nabil Bank Limited, and a high degree of credit creation was done during this phase. Fifth phase, after merger in banking to till now, Nepal Rashtra Bank came up with comprehensive merger bylaw in 2068 BS. This helps regulators to minimize the number of banks in Nepal, focus on financial consolidations, hiking minimal capital requirements, and decrease in trend in banking industries in number. सो यो करेन्ट सिचुएसनमा चाहिँ मैले अहिले यो डाटा चाहिँ फिलअप गरेको छैन होइन। सो अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो इक्जाम रुटिन नआएको कारणले चाहिँ होइन, अब जुन टाइममा चाहिँ हाम्रो इक्जाम रुटिन आउँछ त्यही टाइममा चाहिँ मैले डाटाहरूलाई चाहिँ हेरेर अनि हजुरलाई चाहिँ डाटा अपडेट गर्नेछु। अनि के अरे सो या आजलाई यति नै, एन्ड आई होप यु गाइज फाइन्ड दिस भिडियो भेरी हेल्पफुल एन्ड थ्याङ्क्स फर वाचिङ।